is not going to disappear. It's going to be around for at least 2 years, and a lot of people are scared for their health. But just as importantly, a lot of people are scared for their wallets and their money, including me. So what is going to happen? Here is my best guess. Money. There will be a lot less of it, so save it. Don't spend money on anything you don't need. Don't buy Starbucks coffee. Don't buy a car. Don't buy the stock market. It's gonna crash. Don't even buy that H&M t-shirt or that extra suit you don't need, because weddings won't be back for a while. Jobs. Many jobs are simply not coming back. Waiters, tour guides, hospitality industry. It's gonna take at least 2 years to get the same number of jobs back. So in this free time, you must spend it on education. Get a skill that can make money fast. As a business myself, I'm still looking to hire people, but people with internet skills. People who know how to edit videos. People who know how to run Facebook ads, build websites, create a sales funnel. People with an IT degree, not a philosophy degree. And these skills are going to be so much more important in the future. Freelance. With 20% unemployment in the US, it's gonna be a long way to get back to 5%. So this is the time to create your own job. Go online and teach the piano. Go online and offer your design services. Traditional city jobs are pretty much dead. Medicine. If you are not sure about studying medicine, then this is the time to do it. COVID-19 taught us the world needs you, the doctor and the nurse. The world doesn't need me. It doesn't need Gucci. It doesn't need all these travel influencers. We are not essential. You are. Patience. Once physical lockdown ends, a new one begins. And this one is gonna suck. Because it's going to be for 2 years. For 2 years. No more large gatherings like these. No more group tours. No more busy offices. No more full airplanes. And no more money flying around. This is the time to think different. Everything I mentioned above is possible if you are lucky. But if you are in the bottom 10% of society, it's impossible. Not everyone can afford to upskill or to even have a computer. That's why income inequality is about to go up. The rich will stay rich, the poor will get poorer, and the gap will go even wider. For the first time in decades, millions of people will enter poverty, not escape it. So if there is one thing we need to do for life after COVID-19 is to have more compassion. Look after yourself first and then look after your neighbor. Odds are they're having a harder time. This is not the time to spend money, but it's definitely the time to give it. And maybe that's how we're going to beat this pandemic together. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Dear Indonesia, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, try to share it with your friends. I think they will like it too. Also, please follow this page because it's very important that we reach everybody in Indonesia with this message. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.